Alright people, today's the day I ditched rental cars, goodbye traffic jams, and hop on Florida's newest flex, the Brightline. Spoiler alert, it's fast, it's fancy, and yes, it made me question a few life choices along the way. And get this, Brightline station is literally inside the Orlando International Airport. You can step off a plane, grab your bags, follow the signs, and boom, you're basically teleporting to Miami. No Ubers, no dragging luggage across 3 parking garages. We're living in the future, people. There I was, carrying my just in case I need 14 outfit options suitcase up the escalator like a champ. Next mission. Use the Brightline app to get through the gates without looking like a confused tourist. Nailed it, eventually. The waiting area? Honestly, it's nice. If you're feeling fancy, there's a premium lounge. If you're like me, you're just happy the vending machines work. And look at this, they even thought about the tiny travelers. Brightline has a kids' play area so your little ones can burn off energy before they get stuck next to you asking, "Are we there yet?" Grabbed myself a water from Mary Mary because hydration is key. Also because apparently you can't shotgun beers before boarding a train. Who knew? Feeling like a real traveler now. Found my assigned car, found my seat, cracked open a snack, and locked eyes with a stranger sitting directly across from me. Just me, my granola bar, and a full-blown staring contest. Bonus round. I'm riding backwards while the train zooms forward. It's like emotional damage, but for my brain. Flagged down the Brightline hero. She said I could move to a forward-facing seat until the next stop. Challenge accepted. Operation Face Forward successful. Once I faced the right way, the ride was awesome. Smooth, comfy, definitely not the mechanical bull experience you get with some other trains. She also told me that before I pay for the ticket on the Brightline app, there is a button that says Change Seat Selection, and if I tap on that, I'll be able to see the layout of the train and change my assigned seat to a forward-facing seat. Thank you, Brightline hero. And shout out to the bathrooms. So high-tech, I half expected Siri to ask me if I needed anything. And just like that, Miami, baby! No traffic, no stress, no backwards existential crisis. Brightline, fast, comfy, and only slightly confusing if you're me. 10 out of 10 would ride again, this time facing the right way.